I've been dealing with keratoconus since 2000. I'm from the East Coast, and the 15 years I've been going back and forth with several different doctors, several different hospitals, big hospitals, hospitals affiliated with schools, and many doctors promised me the best treatment, and none offered the options that I was able to find here with Dr. Wachler. Um, Options were on the table were as extremes as corneal replacements. I had some scary options on the table put in front of me, and I went ahead and did the Intacs. On one eye, I actually had both Intacs installed, and without mentioning any of the doctors or where they're affiliated from, I found that I had better service here. Going through the procedure itself. When I had the Intacs installed elsewhere, I did find that it was a little more painful and it had a little less care to it. When it was done here, and mind you, what was done here was different. The Wachler showed me the options that were available with only having one Intac rather than both segments installed. And we did that. We removed one of the segments that was installed elsewhere and tweaked the other one, and that was a big help. Even under the table when it was being done, you're told to stare at this green light. Well, I could see 3 green lights in the beginning throughout, and as it was being done, those lights started getting clearer and smaller and smaller, and it was eventually it was like one light, still not quite there, but big difference. And again, on the other eye, I had no Intacs, and I had one segment placed yesterday, and right away when I came out of there, I could read his name tag. I could see sharper, clearer picture, and that was before even the 3CR was done. That was just going from one side of the table to the other side of the table, and then afterwards, again, it clarified even more. So, do it. Give it a try. At least give him a call. Again, I went through where I came from, at least 2 different hospitals, and they all went through the gamut of procedures that they could do. Not one mentioned any of this. Not one mentioned the availability or the possibility of coming down here to see Dr. Boxer. So that's something that I had to do myself, and I was glad I did. The use of the service, give it a try. The procedure itself is very painless, and so far it's worked. It's working for me.